I'm going to wait till a few more people get on to... Hey, Joshua. What's up?
Hey, Percy. Hey, Percy.
Hey, Miss Susan.
Hey, Miss Sherry.
Miss Sherry? I don't know if Miss Sherry's got a Facebook. Y'all are so funny.
Okay,
Hey, Lauren.
Hey, stop it.
What's up? Okay. All right. I'm going to make some homemade Play-Doh. Okay? And I'm going to give my husband the phone, so I'm going to switch it to my wall. And... Hey, can you see me? I can't hear you, but I'm going to trust him that you don't get all my body. Okay. Okay, I already... What is it? It's not sugar. It's cornstarch. I already got my 2 cups of cornstarch in my bowl. And I'm going, yes, and I got my bacon.
Hey!
No, you need a quarter, you need a 1 cup and a quarter of lotion. Any lotion, preferably unscented, so let me squirt this in here. I can't just squeeze it in there, I gotta pump it.
I got more.
Huh?
I got more.
I guess I could take it off. No, I can't take it off. I'm gonna quickly pump this in here.
Not me, Mom.
What?
Not me, not me.
Not you.
I just poured.
Huh? I should have already had it pumped in here.
I didn't.
Yeah, so how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing good.
Wait a minute.
Huh? That's a cornstarch.
Okay.
Some days we do a bunch of stuff, some days we don't. We just take it one day at a time. And we're just trying to have fun. I know the kiddos aren't going back to school until August. Yay! And we're almost to 1 cup. Almost there.
Mama, I poured.
You pouring it?
Okay.
Okay, we don't
Wait a
need.
minute.
Yeah, we don't need any more in there. Anyways, after you get your cornstarch and your lotion in the bowl, you mix it up, and then you can add some essential oils. Huh?
Mama, I didn't.
This was a winter activity, so they wanted us to use the peppermint oil, and you can get any kind of essential oils you want. So I guess it's springtime, you can use lemon. You know, it's really versatile activities. Huh? I'm almost there. Okay. We're at one cup and a quarter. Yeah, you want to pour it in, Mackenzie?
Okay.
Okay. We're going to dump it in. Can you see it done? You might have to stand up. Are you getting the spoons?
Maybe which is more?
Okay, and I'm just going to get messy.
I just want it.
And I'm just going to stir this up with my hand.
What?
What?
I want to do it with my hand.
You want to do it with your hand?
I want
Okay, come here. You can do it with your hand.
Okay.
Is it kind of messy?
It's not messy.
It is very messy.
It's not
I'm not afraid of messes. Okay, you can try that. I'm not afraid of messes because I know we can clean it up. And I like the messes because they're the most fun. Yeah. How's it feel? Does it feel like Play-Doh yet? It's supposed to feel like Play-Doh. It does. It's kind of forming a dough. Maybe if you have a mixer, maybe that'll be better. Yeah. Okay, now we need to put our oil in there. Oh, okay, Zoe. Okay. Oh, I should have had it open. It is a little messy. It is. Oh, sorry, essential oils. Okay, let's make it peppermint. Peppermint. Does it smell like Christmas yet?
It does smell Christmas. Hey, look at
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that smells just like Christmas. Oh yeah. Okay, it's getting a little Play-Doh-y.
Hey.
Yeah, almost.
Hey, Mommy, that was so.
Huh? What?
Oh
Oh my gosh.
my God.
Oh my gosh. This really doesn't feel like Play-Doh at all. But it's fun to make. What is this, like one of those Pinterest fails?
Look at me, Dad. Look at me. I need some more.
You need some more?
Yeah. Look at me, Dad. Well, look.
Okay, so I'm going to get to everybody's comments when I get off of here. I'm not going to miss anybody's.
Look at me, Dad. Look.
And if y'all have anything to add or anything to suggest that we do, please suggest it. Please suggest it, because I don't want to run out of ideas for these girls at all. And y'all have a blessed night. Bye.